Today we are doing a quick how-to installation for the new Oeveo Digital Signage Mount. Let's go step by step together. Step 1. Measure your area. It's important to pre-plan where you want your monitor to go before drilling any holes. Step 2. Check your level and mark your holes. This is important to make sure your screen ends up right where you want it. Step 3. Pre-drill your holes. Carefully use your drill to prepare the holes to fasten your mounting plate to the wall. Step 4. Fasten your mount to the wall. Place your mount over the holes, install your first fastener, check your level again, and complete the fastening. Step 5. Attach the brackets to your TV. Access the back of your device and, using the VESA holes, position the brackets and tighten the included screws. Note that these brackets include a variety of hole locations to adapt to your unique monitor size. Step 6. Mount your screen. In this case, it helps to call for backup, but make sure to take a second to admire your hard work and call it a day.